confidence building measures that these regional parties are now reaching out to the people of Kashmir, because the tables have turned in a way, post abrogation of Article 370 and post. We saw the kind of attacks and counter-attacks each were mounting mostly on the National Conference. I'm sure because PDP's real representative decided to walk away, so we don't have a PDP representative technically here. We reached out to the Congress party, we also reached out to the Apna party and the Azad Democratic Party. These three representatives also, prior to the show, staged a walkout citing paucity of time. Therefore, coming back to NC as we take the final reactions from all of you, and then I'm going to take questions from the audience, Ifra.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. First thing, Jammu and Kashmir at this point, whatever development we have in terms of the highest HDI, whatever we have rests on Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah's land to the tiller policy and transferring 9 lakh canals of land to people of Jammu and Kashmir. The effect is felt unto this day. One. Point number 2, the PDP person constantly said, what is the National Conference done? You failed. Excuse me,
What
sir.
is your poll plank?
Yeah. Just a sec.
Let me simplify
Let's
go
back to 2019.
Let's come back to 2024. What is your poll plank? What are you campaigning on?
Our poll plank is, unlike the PDP, whose 2 MPs abstained on voting on Article 370 in 2019, Nazir Lave and Mir Fayaz, they ran away, did not vote.
Okay.
National Conference did not run away. It did not run away then, and it will not run away now. The third poll and the last point I'm making, this debate should tell you what is happening on ground. It is National Conference versus the BJP, and everybody, we've defeated them here, and we will defeat them on ground.
Now, before I go to BJP, so did it not disappoint you, the kind of solid silence that you get to hear from your partners, the alliance partners, on abrogation of Article 370? They are talking about it not in their manifestos but in their rallies.
You see, Sakal, abrogation of Article 370 started in 2014 with BJP, PC, PDP government. So I don't want to go back to 2014, but I will say at this point, our main agenda is to defeat the BJP in center, and we are there as a part of India Alliance for everything. Article 370 abrogation is one thing.
Is your alliance intact?
Yes, we are fighting the India National Conference on 5 seats in Jammu and Kashmir. India Alliance is fighting together on 5 seats.
Without
we are
PDP.
fighting together. I mean, India Alliance has declared the candidates. So we are fighting as a part of India Alliance. Some political party decides not to fight as a part of India Alliance. You can ask that question, but India Alliance remains intact. It's fighting together.
Yes, BJP.
I have 2 questions to ask Ifra because she talked about the article.
Before that, I have a question for you. Why are you not contesting, and what is brewing between you and Apni Party and People's Conference?
Bharatiya Janata Party want to win the hearts of the Kashmiri people.
How will you win the hearts if you don't get elected or represented adequately?
I will answer. Lot of people, lot of political parties, be it the National Conference, PDP or the Congress, they used to put the gun towards the Bharatiya Janata Party that they are power hungry. If we are the power hungry,
आप sacrifice कर रहे हैं?
Just a minute.
आप sacrifice कर रहे हैं?
Even just our political opponents, they used to say Bharatiya Janata Party will win the Anantnag seat.
Okay.
The Bharatiya Janata Party will win the Anantnag seat. But for the people of Kashmir, we have sacrificed all these three. So
it's a sacrifice you're making?
Yeah, it's a sacrifice because the thing is for the people of Jammu and Kashmir. We want to give a road back to the people of Jammu and Kashmir. It's a sacrifice, I can say.
Okay.
So my question is,
why sacrifice?
Because it's for the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
No, but I don't get the logic. Why sacrifice? Why did you not contest?
We are going to contest.
Do you have a cadre here?
We have a cadre because we have a cadre.
Are you supporting some newly formed outfits?
No, we are not supporting any. We are supporting.
Are you supporting somebody sitting on your left?
No, we are not supporting.
Are you sure?
100%.
This is on a national channel.
100%. We are not supporting any political party. Just a minute. We are not supporting any political party. We are supporting not any particular party. We are supporting like-minded political party.
Okay, we are not supporting political parties, but we are supporting like-minded political parties. So, which are these like-minded political parties? Tell me.
So, if
I gave you enough rest in the first half, second half BJP answered.
Okay. So, So let me tell you one thing. You are saying who are the like-minded?
Yes, yes.
Those people who are working on the ground for the Jammu and Kashmir, we will support.
Have
them.
you
Be it the
identified
national
those
conference.
people?
Thank
Be
you.
it the national conference.
We
Have
want
you,
you to
okay,
hate us.
all
Just
right.
just-
Now
just-
that's a
just-
revelation.
just-
That's a
just-
revelation that BJP is also pandering towards national conference. They
Please,
say
that's
that
what we
they
saw
say
on
that
the
there are
channel.
no
That's what you
permanent
saw on
enemies
the
and
panel.
friends in politics.
You saw how
not
much they
saying-
hated
Oh,
me.
no.
Now they.
It seems
but
like
you're-
she
you're-
is not very happy with
your
you
president,
leaning
your
towards her.
president, just a sec. Your home minister, Amit Shah Saab.
What is your
in
home minister?
Udhampur-
Home minister belongs to
our
you
home
as well.
minister,
What is
our-
your home
He's the
minister?
same
Ab
home
aa
minister
gaye.
Farooq
Arey,
Abdullah was,
tamasha nahi,
was
tamasha
begging
nahi.
to
no,
on
no, no,
national
no, no.
TV.
Home minister belongs to
Our
everyone.
home minister Amit Shah Saab
Please, एक second.
in Udhampur says अभी पिछले हफ्ते आए थे in
Sajid, you got to
Udhampur he
react to
says
that.
yes
हाँ.
in Udhampur Amit Shah Saab says that he is supporting everyone except the National Conference and the INC. So is your home minister lying or are you lying here? Please
Sajid.
tell us that your home minister is lying.
I will respond. I will respond.
हाँ, बोलो.
On one side, National Conference is claiming we are not part of BJP. I want to ask a single question. Why, after the abrogation of Article 370, they joined hands with Bharatiya Janata
will
Party in
respond.
Ladakh and Khorasan?
I'll
yes, respond to that.
In Ladakh, we did not join hands. Our alliance was with the PDP. The entire PDP cadre became the BJP cadre the next day. They all
So you
moved
had-
to BJP.
yeah, so you
the
had
alliance
defections
continued.
problem there.
In the
You-
last election,
Yes.
plus one point. In the last election in Ladakh that was held, the Kargil election, India alliance defeated the BJP. Out of 26 seats, National
right.
Conference and INC got 23,
All right,
and
all
these
right,
guys
all
were
right,
got
all
into
right,
3 seats.
all right, all right.
That is
Yes,
who we
yes.
are.
Last
Yes.
question. Last
No,
question.
no, it's not question and answer session between two of you. You're not addressing my question. You're still. I'm not. I don't forget my questions. BJP, we want to know what are your like-minded political outfits / parties that you're looking
Time
for.
will decide when the voting will happen. No? You will
Acha.
see the.
They don't even have a candidate.
Just a second. Just a second. You will see the change. You will see the face. Those people who will win the election, they will be supported by the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Okay, People's Congress.
Okay, these are the closing remarks.
Yes, yes.
Let me answer it for the BJP first.
Why
I
are you
think-
answering on behalf
I
of the
think
BJP?
because when BJP says that they want to win the hearts and minds, they're lying through their teeth.
Okay.
The real reason is that they understand that the people of Kashmir will never accept them. That in the last elections they got 1% vote in North Kashmir, they got 500 votes in Srinagar, and now if they repeated the same results, what would they tell the people of India that okay, we abrogated 370? We were telling you for the last 6 years that every Kashmiri is happy, but look, when they went to the ballot,
Okay, so
they
besides
told they did not.
attacking BJP,
The
Time will
BJP
decide.
lacks.
Time will decide.
Okay.
This
BJP
conference will not
understands that
decide.
Okay.
no Kashmiri is with them.
What was
that
the
no
thing?
Kashmiri.
Okay,
Wait,
okay, hold on, hold on.
wait. You
Huh,
already
huh,
made your
huh,
point.
huh, okay.
And second, in terms of the importance of these parliament elections,
Yes.
I think these
This is the point.
parliament elections assume extreme significance since there has been no representation of Kashmiris in the last 5-7 years.
Yeah.
I know we had 3 MPs, but I think those 3 MPs have been mute spectators even on the August 5th.
Absolutely
and
not.
Wait,
Okay,
wait,
okay,
you've already
okay.
made your
Absolutely
point.
not. They were
You
the
already
only
made your
people who
point.
spoke.
We
Okay,
cannot
okay,
have the
okay,
national
okay. Adnan,
conference
jaldi, jaldi. Quick,
policing-
quick. I need to take
policing,
questions from the audience also.
us.
Yes.
Okay, wait. So this election assumes significance that we need to send. I'm not talking about just one seat. From all 3 seats of Kashmir division, we need to send people who are genuinely going to
And
represent
say
the
thank
voices.
you BJP, मुझे passport
National
दिया.
Conference.
BJP
Hold
Why
मुझे
everybody
on.
so
passport
riled
This
up,
is not
Ifra?
done.
We've
Yes.
had no representation at all in the last 5 years.